The standing cable rope face pull is an excellent exercise to improve posture and strengthen your upper and mid back by targeting the rear delts, upper traps, and rhomboids. If you find the standing variation too unstable due to the weight pulling you forward, you can create more stability by completing the lying cable rope face pull on the floor or the seated cable rope face pull on a bench. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a rope handle to the high pulley of a cable machine. Grasp the rope with an overhand palms facing down grip. Take a few steps back from the machine to ensure there is still tension on the cable when your arms are extended straight out in front of you. To improve your stability, engage your core and stagger your stance with a slight bend in your knees. Exhale as you pull the rope towards your face by driving your elbows back and outward, creating a Y shape with the rope and cable. Focus on squeezing your rear delts and upper back as you pull, while keeping your shoulders down and back throughout the movement to avoid shrugging. Pause for a brief moment to emphasize the contraction. Inhale, then under control, slowly extend your arms back to the starting position as you pull your shoulder blades apart. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.